हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू S2S क्लासेस। आज हम क्लास 12th के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। क्लास 12th में डिटर्मिनेंट चैप्टर इज गोइंग ऑन, चैप्टर 4। इन दिस डिटर्मिनेंट लेक्चर 5 ओवर दिस लेक्चर नंबर 6। तो एक्सरसाइज 4.1, exercise 4.2 has been done, and others determinants and the value of the determinant, factors, cofactors and minors, and area of the triangle if vertex is given in last exercise, that has been done. Area of triangle, if all three vertices are given by the determinant, find the area. That exercise is not in syllabus, but we have done that for the point of view of exam, any competition exam, you may understand, okay? But in the board exam, this exercise is not there. Area of triangle if vertices are given, okay? I want to tell this because I have done that and I have not told that it is not in syllabus, okay? Now forward, exercise 4.3, minors and cofactors. I told minors definition, cofactor definition in the last video, okay? Now today we are going to find the value of the minor and cofactors, okay? Question number 1 is, before question 1, write the minor and cofactor of the following question 1 and 2. So question 1, first part, 2 minus 4, 0, 3. Second part, A, C, B, D. These two parts. Now first part, first minors. So minors. Minors represented by M. Okay. M1 1, M11, every element cofactor minors. तो A11, A11, A12 generally we are writing A21, A22. You know that, okay? First row and second row and first column, second column. You know. तो minor I told, how can take the minor of the element of 2? यानी माइनर ऑफ 2 है M11, ठीक है? माइनर ऑफ 2 मीन्स along this row and along this column both are cancelled, then remaining square matrix, this is 1 by 1 square matrix, it is only 3, then value is 3 direct, okay? Then M minors लिख लें पहले, M12. M12 means first row and second column element. Any element minus 4. Element minus 4. Minor of minus 4. So along this column cancel, along this row cancel, any first row and second column. It is A12 element minus 4. So second column cancel. Then remaining here only one element 0. So this minor is 0. Simple, I told you. Then similarly now M21, every element, तो this 0 यानी minor of 0, ठीक है जी? 0 along this is 2 1, this is 2 1, second row and first column element. तो here along this row cancel, second and first column cancel, so remaining element minus 4, then this is minus 4 as it is. Now after that, minor of 2 2 means which element? This is 3, minor of 3. What is minor of 3? Along this column cancel, along this row cancel, column cancel, row cancel, then remaining element 2. That value is equal to 2. Simple, very very simple, okay? Minors we have written. Now cofactors. cofactors. cofactors represent generally capital A, and in some other books capital C also writing. Okay, C11, C12, C13 if 3 by 3, or C21, C22, C23, C like that, or capital A, minor represented by capital A. Okay, I told this. So minor represented capital M and cofactor represented by capital A. Now cofactors means capital A 1 1, that is means cofactor of 2, cofactor of 2. So cofactor means you have to check ith jth of that element. If is odd, then multiply by minus to the minor direct, that will be cofactor. If ith jth sum of that element, which cofactor we are finding, sum of I and j is even, then as it is, what is the minor, same will be cofactor. I told in the definition, I repeated now. Okay, so it is 1 1, so even, so as it is, along this column and row cancel 3, any minor, what is minor, that will be same. Okay, now A 1 2, first row and second column element, that is minus 4. So cofactor of minus 4, this is here ith jth sum is odd, 1 plus 2 3, 3 is odd, so minus of the minor, minor is 0, so minus 0, minus 0 means only 0. Okay beta. Now next, cofactor of 2 1, 2 1 means second row and first column, that is 0. So cofactor of 0, yes, cofactor of 0 means it is 2 1, so sum of ij is odd, that's why multiply by minus to the minor. So minor of this is minus 4, then multiply by minus to the minor, minus 4, then it will be equal to plus 4. Clear? Now after that A 2 2, last A 2 2, this element of 3, cofactor of 3, so 2 2 4 even, so as it is, what is minor, so minor is 2, then 2. So this is the answer of this first part. Second part similarly you may do. Okay beta, done. Now question number 2. Minors and cofactors asking. So minors and cofactors. Now question number 2, first part 1 0 0. Question number 2, first part 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This. Now solution. What is solution? Minor of 1. Minor of 1, remaining 1 0 this, then it means solution of minor of 1 1 is equal, then 1 0 0 1, expand 1 0 0 1, तो 1 expand करना है, उसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है, तो 1 into along this row and column cancel into 1, 1 into 1, that is 1. Okay, plus then 0 into minus 1, then 0 into 0, that is 0. then is equal to 1. After that, m1 2, this 0, element 0, it is 1 2, then column 2 and row cancel, 0 0 0 1, so 0 0 0 1, expand it, so 0 into 1, that is 0, plus 0 into 0, that is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, okay. Then minor of 1 3 means first row and third column element, that is 0, so 0 along this column cancel, row cancel, 0 1 0 0, expand 0 1 0 0, that will be 0, okay. Now after that, cofactor of 1 1 as it is, what is minor, okay beta, as it is. Now cofactor of 1 2 minus, because sum of ij is odd, so minus multiply with minor, minor is 0, then is equal to 0. Then cofactor of 1 3 is equal, then it is 4, 1 plus 3 4, so as it is 0. First row is completed. Now second row, minor of 2 1, minor of 0, okay beta, 2 1, second row first, so along this column and row cancel, 0 0 0 1, so that is 0. Then minor of 2 2, minor of this 1, so along this column cancel and row cancel, second column second row cancel, then 1 0 0 1, 1 0 0 1, so 1 into 1 1, and 0 into 0 into minus 1, then 0, so 1 into 1 1, okay beta. 1 0 0 1 का एक्सपेंड किया 1. आफ्टर दैट माइनर ऑफ 2 3, सेकेंड रो थर्ड एलिमेंट यानी 0, माइनर ऑफ 0 along this column, third column cancel and second row cancel, 1 0 0 0, so 1 0 0 0, it is 1 into, expand it, then it is 0. Then इसके कोफैक्टर ऑफ सेकेंड रो, कोफैक्टर ऑफ 2 1, माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 0 इंटू माइनस 0, देन ओनली 0, 2 2, दैट सेम कोफैक्टर इज एज इट इज व्हाट इज माइनर, एंड देन 2 3, देन it is here multiply by minus 1, because this is sum of ij odd, 2 plus 3 5, that multiply by minus, so minus 0, then is equal to only 0. Okay, now third is minor of 3 1, third row first column, that is 0, so minor of 0, so along this row cancel, column cancel, then 0 0 1 0, so that is 0, expand here up. Then minor of 3 2, minor of 3 2 means that element is 0, minor of 0, along this column cancel and along this row cancel, then 1 0 0 0, so that's why this is also 0. Okay, now minor of 3 3, last element, third row third column, then 1, minor of this 1, along this रो कैंसिल, along this column cancel, 1 0 0 1. तो expand it, it is square matrix. तो value of this 1 0 0 1. तो 1 into 1 into 1 1 and 0 into 0 into minus 1 then 0. तो 1 minus 0 means 1. Then cofactor 3 1, that is as it is minor, cofactor of 3 2, 0 into minus 0, and minus 0 means 0, and last A33 as it is, what is minor, because sum of ij is even here, A336, that's why as it is minor. So these are your answers of minor and the cofactor of each element. ठीक है जी. Second part you will do same. Okay, second part you have to do as it is, how I have explained this. Okay, now question number 3 we have to do. Okay beta, question 3, what's saying in the question 3, we have to see that in NCERT book, using cofactors of elements of second row. Question number 3, using cofactors of elements of second row of second row evaluate okay, and if value evaluate delta equal this in question number 3, 538201, 538201, and third row 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, 3 by 3 order, and n is 3 here. Okay, now expand along second row. So I told this expansion. So solution, cofactor, using cofactor. So cofactor into element, what is formula? Element into cofactor, okay. So what is second row? Along second row R2. So along R2, according to question, along R2, means 2 element into cofactor A21 plus element into cofactor A22 plus element 1 into cofactor is A23. Okay, now so this is equal 2 into A21, understand? A21 means this element cofactor. So along this second row and first column cancel, then 3823 3, 8, 2, 3 and multiply by -1. Okay? Why? Because cofactor we have to take, so direct cofactor we can take. Okay? Minor into that cofactor we have to take. So means minus से multiply into minor. Okay? Understand? Clear? So into -1 we should do that here. Expand is the minor and then into that, because sum of 2 and 1 is odd. That will be cofactor complete. Plus 0 into something will be 0, plus 1 into 2 plus 3 minus 1 and into minor. Okay? Minor 2, 3. Then simplify, expand -2 into minor. So minor means solve it. Understand? Solve it, not minor only, solve it. Solution of this is the minor. ठीक है बेटा? And -1 से multiply because it is a to 1. So solve this. This is 3. This is first element into remaining element 3 minus, because second element this minus 8 into 2. Clear? This. Now plus 0 finish, then plus 1 into -1, then -1. We can say plus minus minus. So -1, then okay, and minor of 2, 3. Minor of 2, 3. 2 row and third, यानी 1 का minor. Along this column cancel, row column cancel and row cancel. 5, 3, 1, 2. 5, 3, 1, 2. 5, 3, 1, 2. Solution of this. ठीक है? Then it will be equal -2. Solve it. 3 3 जा 9, 8 2 जा 16. 9 minus 16. 7 minus 7. Minus 16 plus 9 minus 7 minus, solve it. So 5 into 2, 5 2 is 10, direct I am writing, and minus 3. This. Then minus minus plus 2 7 is 14, multiply. Minus 2 into -7 and minus 10 minus 3, 7. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Okay? So be careful along this, according this, and find the solution. Evaluate. So answer of this determinant is 7. Done. So similarly we can do question number 3. Done. Now question 4. Using cofactors, now question number 4. NCERT book question 4 is using cofactors of elements. Question 4. Using cofactors of elements of third column. of third column 3. ओके, ठीक है. इवेल्युएट delta equal one x y z second row 1 y z x third 1 z x y. This. Okay, now solution along column 3. Along C3, delta is equal column 3 yz zx xy. This is column 3. So along column 3, first element yz into cofactor, it is first row and third column. Okay, plus column 3 का second element zx, this element zx into cofactor of this element is 2 row third column plus third element xy into cofactor of this xy. xy is the element of third row and third column. So a 3 3. So according to the along the column 3 this expansion. So now simplify this. How can simplify? Yz as it is into A13 along this 1 row and 3 column cancel, 1 y and 1 z. Okay, value of this. Okay, then cofactor, it is the element कौन सा है? Which element this is A13. तो sum of this even, तो only minor. Okay, minor means expand. ठीक है, तो into expand of remaining means 1 y 1 z, 1 y 1 z, only this. Okay, and plus this element is 2 3 and sum of ij is odd, so multiply by -1 to get the cofactor. So minor is along this second row and third column. Second row and third column cancel, then remaining 1x 1z. So 1x 1z and multiply by -1 and solution of remaining that 2 and 3, 2 row and third column, then 1x 1z, 1x 1z, this. Okay, after that see here, now plus third element xy, and it is even only, then only evaluate the remaining after cancelling the third column and third row and third column. So 1x 1y, 1x 1y, 1x 1y, this. Okay, now simplify only this. So we know yz into 1 into z, z minus y, plus minus minus, plus into minus 1, then minus zx into 1 into z, z minus 1 into x minus x, plus xy evaluate this, then into 1 into y, 1 into minus x, so minus x. This is the solution. Okay, we can multiply and we can change, if any, or simplify we can do, but this is your answer. Okay, if you want to do, what we can write, yz square minus y square minus z square x minus minus plus zx square plus xy square minus x square y. Okay, yz square, z square x, zx square, xy square, x square y. तो दिस 2 2 4 2 6 हैं, इनमें से कॉमन लेकर सेम बच जाए, दो में से कॉमन लेकर सेम बच जाए, सेम कौन सा पेयर लिया जाए। तो अगर इसके एक्स वाई स्क्वायर के साथ वाई स्क्वायर लें, ठीक है, वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 1 एक्स स्क्वायर वाई, ओनली वाई स्क्वायर एक ही जगह है, बाकी जगह कोई अलाउड नहीं है। ये कैसे है, वाई जेड स्क्वायर, ये वाई स्क्वायर जेड, हाँ दिस इज मिस्टेक है, वाई स्क्वायर जेड, हेयर जेड स्क्वायर एक्स, जेड एक्स स्क्वायर। ओके, नाउ इफ यू सी हेयर कि जो लास्ट एक्स स्क्वायर वाई और ये कॉमन लें तो एक्स स्क्वायर जेड स्क्वायर बचेगा, इसमें एक्स स्क्वायर जेड स्क्वायर नहीं बचेगा, एक्स जेड बचेगा, और इसमें एक्स जेड, एक्स माइनस जेड, ठीक है। फर्स्ट और लास्ट में कॉमन लें, कॉमन फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट, व्हाट इज कॉमन, वाई कॉमन, व्हाट लेफ्ट, जेड स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर। ओके, सेकेंड लास्ट एंड सेकेंड में क्या कॉमन है, एक्स वाई स्क्वायर एंड वाई स्क्वायर जेड, तो वाई स्क्वायर कॉमन माइनस वाई स्क्वायर कॉमन ले लो, माइनस वाई स्क्वायर कॉमन, तो क्या बचा, जेड पॉजिटिव हो गया और माइनस एक्स। थर्ड एंड द लास्ट थर्ड, थर्ड एंड लास्ट थर्ड, व्हाट इज द कॉमन हेयर, जेड भी कॉमन है एंड एक्स भी, जेड एक्स कॉमन, व्हाट लेफ्ट, जेड एक्स कॉमन, और ये भी माइनस जेड एक्स ले लो कॉमन, माइनस जेड एक्स कॉमन तो जेड प्लस का, ठीक है, एंड माइनस कॉमन लिया तो ये माइनस एक्स, तो जेड माइनस एक्स एवरीवेयर वी कैन टेक कॉमन, जेड माइनस एक्स एवरीवेयर कॉमन, तो हेयर बच गया जेड प्लस एक्स इंटू वाई, वाई जेड एंड प्लस एक्स वाई, यानी वाई की मल्टी जेड प्लस एक्स में, ठीक है। यहाँ पर माइनस वाई स्क्वेयर, यहाँ पर माइनस जेड एक्स, दिस वी कैन राइट, ओके, दिस नाउ you can do from these two common we can make here. What if more simplify, you can check here y common z plus x, but here z common नहीं, इन दोनों में y common x माइनस y, हाँ z कॉमन x माइनस y, हाँ दो कॉमन आ सकते हैं इसमें भी, ठीक है। मोर सिंप्लीफाई यू कैन डू, फर्स्ट और लास्ट में कॉमन ले लो, ये एज इट इज, फर्स्ट और लास्ट में कॉमन व्हाट आर देयर, जेड एक्स एंड वाई जेड में आपका जेड कॉमन एंड देन वाई माइनस एक्स, एंड इनमें दोनों में माइनस वाई कॉमन एंड देन वाई, ये माइनस कॉमन ले लिया प्लस बचेगा वाई एंड देन माइनस वाई कॉमन देन एक्स, वाई माइनस एक्स सेम, तो वी कैन राइट मोर फैक्टर्स, ठीक है। सिंप्लीफाई नाउ जेड माइनस एक्स out and one more here, what is common factor, y minus x common factor, what left here, z minus y, this, okay, so this is the answer. More simplify, so we can take suitable simplification, otherwise after here expand and simplified, okay, answer was there, okay. Now this type we can do every question, understand now, this is the clear solution, okay. Watch, take interest and like, share and subscribe the channel and forward the video to the others which you have with you, contact, सभी कॉन्टैक्ट में भेजें जिससे कि उनको बेनिफिट हो और वो देखें, इसका लाभ उठाएं, ओके। और गाइड देम कि सब्सक्राइब करें चैनल को और अपनी फीडबैक ज़रूर भेजें, कमेंट नहीं भेज रहे हैं, कमेंट ज़रूर भेजें, फीडबैक ज़रूर भेजें, किस टाइप का आपको वीडियो लगा, और कोई भी किसी टाइप का आपको कोई भी क्वेरी करनी है तो क्वेरी करें, आई विल सी द कमेंट एंड आई विल गिव द प्रॉपर गाइडलाइन फॉर दैट। थैंक यू।